Hi guys, I ordered one of these washing machines. This is a portable washing machine that I am now taking out of the box. I looked online and saw these and I was amazed at the reviews I saw on YouTube. So we live in an apartment and tired of going to the laundromat all the time to go do the washing, so I'm going to try one of these out. I love the way the knobs look. They're so pretty. So it has a spin dry on this side, and comes with instructions on how to use it. And then when the clothes have finished washing, I'll put them in there and put this on top of it and smash it down and set the timer here. It goes all the way to 5 minutes. And the washing side, I'm actually going to put this back in there. So the washing side has this hose here. It smells good. It smells really good. That is what it looks like inside. That is the lint trap, but I heard that, I don't know if those work too good. I'll have to see for myself. Yeah, it's pretty deep in there, so I can wash quite a bit of stuff. This is an 8 to 9 pound washer. I wanted to get the bigger one, but I didn't have enough money for the bigger one. Next time I want to get a 15 pound load capacity thing. So with that tube in there, I'm going to connect it there, I think. I don't know, I'll have to figure out how to connect it. But yeah, I'm going to put it in the bathroom. And there's another hose right there. Oh, don't mind Obi, he's just freaking out, what's going on here? And there's the plug outlet. But yeah, I'm definitely going to do a wash today and see how it goes. Obi found a new box to play in. I think he's just going to lay down in it. Okay, so I took it out of the box. That is what it looks like. It's see-through, so you can see it washing and then spin drying. That's what the bottom part looks like. And on the back part here, it has this that drains. And here's the plug. So I can't wait to give this a try. Well, since this is not long enough to drain inside of my tub, I'm going to have to probably put this inside of my tub so that way it can wash and drain there. Okay, I put some towels in there. I have 3 large towels in there, and I filled it up to where that M is on the edge there. And I put a little bit of laundry soap, just a tiny bit. Okay, so I'm going to do this for 12 minutes. There we go. Probably put too many towels in. Yeah, I should have put just 2 because these are really big towels. So let me take one out real quick. Oh, never mind. It's starting to spin good now. Or not. Hold on, let me see if it spins. Yeah, I'm going to take one out. Just hold on. Okay, there we go. So only 2 big towels at a time on this one. I need to get the bigger machine so I can wash more. But as you can see, it's doing a really good job. So I'm going to let it do its thing, and then when it stops, I'm going to put it in the spin dry. Okay, also this drain tube does not come with a lint trap or anything, so I got a piece of stocking and I tied it to the end so that way none of the lint goes down the drain and clogs it up. Okay, it's almost about to stop now. Okay, it's stopped. Okay, and to get it to drain, I have to put this here to drain. Okay, now all the water is coming out from here. There's more soap, so I'm going to have to wash again. Let's get all the soap out before I put it in the spin dry. Okay, so I have one towel in there spin drying. Don't forget to put that thing on the top there, because if not, it's going to be really noisy. I have to wait until this one's done spin drying to put the other one in there. It will shake in the beginning, but it'll start to slow down and be more quieter. So I put it for 5 minutes to spin dry right now. Okay, it just finished spin drying, so I'm going to take this out and see how it... Hey, it's actually quite dry. I mean, it's not 100% dry, but I'd say about 80% dry. It's just a little damp. Wow. Wow, this is awesome. I really like this machine. My thoughts on this machine, it's awesome. It does a really good job. I just wish that I would have gotten a bigger one, like a 15-pound one instead of this one, because we do a lot of laundry. We have a lot of clothes, and I'd like to be able to put more in it. So if you're looking to get one, and maybe you have like a little bit you want to wash, this would be perfect for you. This is like 8 or 9 pounds, but yeah, if you have like a big family, we're like a family of 3, and we go through a lot of towels and clothes and stuff, so yeah, I definitely get the 15-pound one. The bigger the better. Alright guys, that is my review on it. Thanks for watching. One more thing before I go, I'm going to put the link to this product in the description, so if you want to order this one, it's down in the description. I bought it on Amazon. and it was only about $75. So if you're looking to get one, the link to this is in the description. Thanks for watching. One other thing, as you can see on the lint trap, it does pick up some stuff. I see some stuff in there. See? So it does collect stuff in it.